We took a pause for a second, but now we back. Today in the house we have guest host Bounty Killer
Cross, Henry, thanks for having me on the show.
and of course we got securities cause they be bringing weapons and shit.
It looks like
We got Backlight in the house, we got a BB in the house, we got War Professor in the house, we got Spit Around Spitter in the house. Let's go crazy. Punchline bars, you know how it is. Today's about disrespect, punchline bars, and all that. So get your phone, computer, get whatever, and get ready and listen. Rap a lot, you up
Coconut ass nigga, I see you. Yo, I'm the devil, you better get guard for your niggas. My nigga Trump making it hard for you niggas. It's just me and Spitter, we don't need a squad for you niggas. Plus bullets, I got a barrage for you niggas. It's rap a lot nigga, I give a fuck about your life. Got you laying on the floor nigga, white turds on spice. Look niggas, you know we never scared though, never cared though. That shit on your face looking like a scarecrow. Guns never hit the holster, that nigga could get it in the sofa.
Spit Around Spitter, you already know what to do. So go ahead and do what you got.
Yo, it's Spitter Von Spitter, and I don't play fair. Left for my kids and your girl might look like a daycare. I got guns, motherfucker, I bust my gag. I got hair on my head, but I brush my hat. These are balls, I fucking rolled it. Saw competition in the mirror, so I fucking broke it. This me a win, you couldn't hope it. Fuck your world, this my galaxy, you better know it.
It's this galaxy, so take no bar. War Professor, you already know how it goes. Do what you gotta do and do it what you got.
Yo, yeah,
do.
man, I mean that. Them two look Yankee, they even make half a one, or I see that. Pussy's evident, you're dumb like your president. Me no less evidence, but shoot him in the hesitant. Put your gal in a deep sleep, but you say me think tough. The way I'm fuck it, that you a think of. Fucking fisher, so me have to diss you. Cause any I'm body, shit mouth. And you over there, so dog, what the fuck ya spit bout?
I ain't a BB, get ahead and do your thing.
Cross, Henry.
Baby, lose the war, never that. Who the fuck you think send the explosive to the Democrats? I'm Everstrap, I'm nice. My heart is black, I'm spice. You talking about my beard looking like a scarecrow. I tell your bitch to go down and stay low. And she did goggle these nuts. She went home and you goggled her butt. So, fuck you and your piece of life. I stick a hole in your neck with a pizza knife.
Cross, Henry. Misa Rebby, he already knows the
Don't
killer,
forget to
and I'm
comment,
going
share, and like, and stay.
Yo.
Who won? Who had the most punchline? Who had the balls?
We know a lot, youth. How you for have Bounty Killer on the show and me not perform? You're not even paying me yet for feature and host the show. It coming like so now try work science. You know what? Me I go call the Alliance.
Secure! Secure!
Hey, security boy!
Security boy! Security boy! Security! Security boy! You know, see the general there. Security boy! You know, see them a kick from the general. Security! Security boy! You know, see the general there. Security boy! You know, see them a kick from the general. Security! Who had the most bars? Who had the most hits? Who had the most comeback? Block, block, block! Don't move your face! Bar 25 covered up!
Beanie, the boy them kick me down and bust up my face, and the security boy him stand up and a look. Beanie,